Nerissa Ravencroft 配信スタート But oh my god, did I tell you? My dad and mom were asking me when I was tweeting about it being Advent's 6th month. Somehow, my parents were like, "What's Advent?"
Huh?
And I was like, "You guys are joking, right? What do you mean, what's Advent?" What do you mean, what's Advent? And I was like, Advent is the group I'm in, you know, Bibu, Shiori, Fuamoko, me. What do you mean? And they're like, oh, okay. So are like the other girls in groups? And I was like, yes. And they're like, what are the other groups? And I was like, Myth and Promise. Okay. Who's in Myth? And I was like, bro, Google is free. Google is free. Stop asking me questions. Just look it up. And they're like, well, you're right here. And I was like, so is your phone. Oh my gosh. They were so... They really just wanted me to tell them specifically. Just a lot of little questions like that I'm like, please. You could just read the Wikia and you would get answers faster and with more clarity than me giving them to you. Goo Goo Gaga is Goo 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 Gaga Goo Gaga Goo 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 Gaga Goo Goo. I can speak baby. I can speak baby. I can also speak a little bit of bird, but not well. I haven't used it in a while. Yeah.